Produced by Time.
Leg. Leg. So, this will be for the YouTube version. God Ginrai. Overall, the two figures on their own, Super Ginrai and GodBomber, are fantastic. There was a bit of an issue with GodBomber where there were parts that would just kind of fall off, but that's because of God Ginrai. Let's get some more light in here for a second. So, it's a little bit too bright now. From my own personal thoughts on this guy, he's really cool, but he's super flimsy. One of the biggest things is that his backpack would not tab in. I've had to super glue or joint fix it. I don't know if I've got a bottle of it somewhere, but that shit is awesome. It's pretty much just like a rubber glue. It's called Fix Loose Joints. Yeah, I'll see if I can find it. But there's some really cool things that you can do with him, like you've got his gun foot hand thing, and then the fact that everything integrates into him really well. But I wouldn't recommend him to... I would suggest just displaying him in both the figures because of how hard it is to keep him in a display mode. Very cool, but again, I'd rather display him as Ginrai, as the smaller figure, and then have the trailer in base mode, and then have GodBomber as its own standalone figure, just because you're getting your bang for your buck then. Overall, joints great, the quality of the plastic's fantastic. I don't know anything about the anime. Now let's talk about my collection. You can see the collection is building quite well. I've got my G1 Beast Wars, and then you've got the Bayverse, and then my Berserk down the bottom. But no one really cares about Berserk now, do they? You know, the last time I started talking about Berserk, the viewership on my YouTube video went down. Please subscribe. My next review is Rat Trap. I'm quite happy that I got Rat Trap. He's going to get onto the Beast Wars shelf. And I think I'm going to take a break from making a bit of videos. Maybe make some videos on some of the figures that I haven't done yet. I really want to do some of the Bayverse figures, because there's some down there that I haven't even touched or done videos on yet. Or I might do a video on my camera, which I should show off. Oh, so you got my camera. Let me go grab the fucking lens. I'm standing now. But yeah, I wanted to show off the camera, right? The Pentax 672. It's very large. I'll do a size comparison. We've got this lens, which is my 90 to 180. Sorry. This bad boy sent me back a lot of money. I'm happy because I'm getting a lot of my film developed at the moment. I got 8 rolls of 120, and then another 4 rolls of... I have no idea if that's picking up or not. It's very loud. But 35mm on my other cameras. It's like the amount of money that they wanted me to spend to get them developed. It was like almost $500 for it. So I've gone for a cheaper alternative, which requires me to send my film away. I'm saving about $180, $190, which is fantastic. What the fuck? Your $500 just for that many rolls is wild. No, I'm just ranting. Like, subscribe, whatever the fuck, I don't care. I do this for myself first. If you enjoy it, leave a like, follow, share to people I don't know.